my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let we start SST chapter number 9 Physical Features of the Earth. Okay, so let's begin to the chapter Physical Feature यानी कि पृथ्वी का एक जो है फिजिकल फीचर्स इसके बारे में जानेंगे क्या क्या इसके अंदर है और क्या क्या नहीं है. So in this chapter you will learn about physical features of the earth. The surface of the earth is known as the earth's crust. ठीक है. Scientists believe that the earth was formed from a cloud of dust particles about 4.6 billion years ago. The surface of the earth is known as the earth's crust. So it is a thin layer of rocks. Beneath the crust is the layer known as the mantle of the earth. The mantle surrounds the part in the center. At the center of the earth is the core. So the core is made of very hot and molten rocks. The surface of the crust of the earth is always moving. The continent drifts apart while the oceans rise and fall. Other than the 7 continents, the rest of the land on the earth's surface is made up of large islands and island groups that rise above the oceans and seas. Landform मतलब जो भूमि है, जो जमीन है, उसके बारे में. Any natural shape on the earth's surface is known as a landform. Landforms include mountains, hills, valley, plains and plateau. ठीक है. लैंडफॉर्म मतलब कई तरह की लैंडफॉर्म्स होती हैं. जैसे include पहाड़ हैं, पहाड़ियां हैं, घाटियां हैं, प्लेन, प्लेटो. Most landforms are created through natural processes such as erosion due to wind and rain. They are formed because of the weather conditions such as the forced and chemical action. Okay. Other natural events such as the eruption of volcanoes and earthquakes also shape the mountain. A mountain is a very high point on the earth's surface that rises at least 1,000 feet above its surroundings. Some mountains are steep and snow-capped, others have gentle slopes and rounded tops. Some, like volcanoes, have giant holes on their tops. There are mountains also under the oceans. Some of the mountains under the oceans are even taller than Mount Everest, which is the tallest mountain on land. Okay, some mountains are formed when molten rocks from deep inside the earth rises to the surface and pours out in the form of lava, so from volcanoes. Sometimes molten lava pushes up to our surface but does not break through. Blocks of rock slip along fault lines and slide in opposite directions as the great plates on the earth's crust move towards each other. So the sediments deep below the earth's surface are squeezed up to form mountain rings. The climate in the mountains is usually cold. Coniferous trees such as the pine tree grows in the mountains. हिल मतलब पहाड़ियां होती है. माउंटेन होते हैं पहाड़, हिल होती है पहाड़ियां छोटी छोटी, इनकी चेन होती है. Like mountains, hills are high pointed on the earth's surface, but they are not as high. Some hills are formed the same way as mountains. Others are formed by the actions of glaciers. प्लेटो होते हैं ये जगह जगह ऐसे जो पठार होते हैं, है ना, ज्यादा ऊंचे नहीं होते ये. Plateaus are areas of high flat land. Plateaus are surrounded by steep rocks faces called cliffs. Because they rise straighter from the land, plateaus are often called tablelands. Canyon is valley with very steep sides. A ravine or a gorge is a small canyon. A gully is also a. When water runs down mountainside and hillside, it moves away the rocks and soil from which it passes over long period of time. So the water carves out V-shaped groove. The grooves get deeper and wider, finally forming low-end areas called valley. So other valleys, typically V-shaped, are formed by glaciers. Plains. Large areas of level of gently rolling lands are called plains. Plains can be dry and grassy farmlands. So they can also be wet, low lands surrounding by rivers and streams. So these plains are known as floodplains. Desert means Registan. Large hot dry areas of land with very few plants are known as deserts. Deserts get very little rain and are mostly covered with sand. Okay. 1/3 of the entire land surface on the earth are deserts. Rivers. Rivers are bodies of water that begin at a source like a snowmelt. Most rivers flow into a large body of water like an ocean, sea, or larger lake. Most large rivers have three parts or curved course: the upper, the middle, and the tributaries are rivers or streams that flow into large rivers or streams are tribute and such confluences or melting point where the rivers join. Water feed into rivers in several ways apart from a rain. Okay, so they come from underground springs and mountain streams. Glaciers and ice melt in the mountains feed into the rivers. Streams, brooks, and creeks are small rivers. So the all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.